I can honestly say that I've never dealt with a better company as far as manufacturer. They seem like they work for me, and it just gives me a lot of belief in their products because of all the support that I get from IKO. I'm Steve Feeney from Feeney Roofing Inc. I'm second generation with Feeney Roofing. The majority of the calls that we get from the insurance company are wind related. We've always had some wind claims, but it's getting stronger and stronger each year as it goes by. If I'm going into a wind event, I'm going to try to find one of the highest rated wind shingles out there. I need some reinforcement to know that those shingles are not going to come off in the future. There is a line that's the IKO Dynasty shingle that I tend to try to pull clients to just because of the reinforcement in the nailing strip. This ArmourZone nailing reinforces the nail, so you cannot pull it through that ArmourZone. It's that strong. The roofs that I'm typically doing are in the highest wind areas. The true test is going to be the very next windstorm, and that's why I've been using the Dynasty product. I just know that we've had no issues with any claims at all with any blow-offs. We did a roof on Lake Ontario, and they needed us to have it done in December, and there was no other product but this product that I would install because of the nailing zone. We had no issues all the winter long. As soon as the temperature got up, those ceiling buttons stuck. I've had no blow-offs, and we're testing against the highest wind speeds out there. As a homeowner, you want to know that the roofer is going to give you the best product. It's a comfort level on all the system and the roofer themselves.